Hello, today I will show you the steps to connect your PC to an iPhone using a USB cable. This is my PC internet connection. Download the latest version of iTunes for Windows on your PC, install the program and run it. Activate the personal hotspot on your iPhone. To do this, tap Settings from your home screen, then tap Cellular, then go to Personal Hotspot. Toggle on Allow Others to join. Connect your iPhone to your PC via the USB cable. You should see the iPhone listed on the left side of the iTunes window, under Devices. If your iPhone is not detected on your PC, open Device Manager, Other Devices, Portable Devices, iPhone. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Search automatically. Windows will install the latest driver. Then restart your PC. On your computer, the tethered connection will appear as a wired connection, having a computer icon in the lower right section of the taskbar. Click on that computer icon and you should see a wired connection. That is your tethered iPhone.